Hello everyone, this is the LeetCode problem, smallest value of the rearranged number. You are given an integer num. Rearrange the digits of num such that its value is minimized and it does not contain any leading zeros. Return the rearranged number with minimal value. Note that the sign of the number does not change after rearranging the digits. This means positive numbers stay positive and negative numbers stay negative. The given numbers are from minus 10 power 15 to 10 power 15. According to the constraint, the input number could be negative or 0 or positive. For a negative number, if the digits are arranged in descending order, then it's minimized. For positive number, it's the opposite. 0 has only one digit, then just return 0. So the first step should be sort every digit, then follow the rule we just talked about. Let's take a look at some examples. Given this negative number, the first step is to sort every digit. Because it's negative, reverse it so it's the descending order. Then convert it into a number, add the negative sign. Given 0, return 0. Give this positive number, sort every digit. It's positive and there's no leading zero. Convert it into a number. The last example is a bit tricky because there are leading zeros. All we need to do is finding the first non-zero digit. Swap it with the first 0, then convert it into a number. Let's take a look at the code. First step, sort the digits. Apps makes sure there's no minus sign inside. If the input is negative, reverse the sorted digits, convert it into an integer, and add the minus sign. If the input is positive, find the first non-zero digit. If there's a leading zero, then swap with it, or swap with itself. Then convert it into an integer. That's it. Very simple, right? The time complexity is n log n because of sort, but our input is at most 16 digits long, so I would say the time complexity is constant. Thanks for watching.